Hey, what's up, guys? And this video is just for the cookie clicker series. I forgot to just tell a command like here you can see I told the brightness effect, the falling snowflakes, but not this cookie levitating. Like here you can see this is going up and down. So to do that, you can just put this block here. This is very simple. So it is a short video. Like set y to 0 plus 15 into cos of timer minus 3 into 100. You can see this carefully. This is like this. You can just put the sequence. If the sequence is not right, the cookie will not do the action it is doing here. So you can just change the values like this is the speed of the cookie. If you set it to less than 100, you can just set it to 20 like. You can see this is very slow. We cannot see it. If you set it to 200, it will be very fast. Like here you can see this is moving very fast. You can choose it what you want, but I'm setting it to 100. Then you can just change this value like to increase the distance like 15, and then I put here 45 if you like. I'm putting here 15 and here 100. These are the things. You can get a full explanation from Puneet's video on this. I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out from there or in the card above. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.